Hey there tech enthusiasts! If you're building a next-gen PC and looking for a motherboard that delivers top-tier performance, cutting-edge features, and a sleek design, you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the MSI MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi. Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about this feature-packed motherboard from its specs to its real-world performance. Let's start with the design. The MSI is stunning with carbon fiber accents and an all-black aesthetic that'll look great in any build. The board features large heat sinks across critical areas like the VRMs and M2 slots, keeping your components cool even during intense workloads. On the performance front, this motherboard supports the latest AMD AM5 socket, ready to pair with Ryzen 7000 series processors. It's built to handle power-hungry CPUs thanks to its 18+2+1 power phase design, delivering stable and efficient energy for heavy multitasking or gaming. Memory enthusiasts, rejoice! With DDR5 memory support, you can push your system to blazing fast speeds of up to 8400 MHz when overclocked. The 4 DIMM slots accommodate up to 256 GB, perfect for high-end gaming, content creation, or running demanding applications. Now, storage options are fantastic here. The 4 M2 slots include 2 PCIe 5.0x4 slots, offering ultra-fast transfer speeds for your latest NVMe SSDs. The 2 remaining PCIe 4.0x4 slots provide plenty of flexibility for additional storage. Connectivity is another strong point. The rear I/O features 2 USB 4.0 Type-C ports supporting up to 40 GB per second, along with multiple USB 3.2 ports. Whether it's high-speed data transfers or connecting peripherals, you're covered. And with dual LAN ports, one 5GBE and one 2.5GBE plus Wi-Fi 7, your internet speeds will always keep up, whether you're gaming or streaming. MSI also makes your life easier during assembly with user-friendly features like the Easy M2 Clip 2, which lets you install M2 drives without tools, and the Easy PCIe release, which simplifies GPU removal. It's a thoughtful touch for those who frequently upgrade or tinker with their setups. If you're interested in exploring the latest offers, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing the Carbon? Cons. Price. At around $500, it's on the expensive side, making it a premium choice. Complex BIOS. Might take some time to get used to. Pros. Top-tier power delivery. Handles high-performance CPUs with ease. Advanced connectivity. Wi-Fi 7, dual LAN ports, and multiple high-speed USB ports. Future-proof storage. 2 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots for the fastest SSDs. User-friendly design. Easy DIY features simplify installation and upgrades. To wrap it up, the MSI Carbon is a powerhouse motherboard with everything you need for a high-performance build. It's ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want cutting-edge features and reliable performance. While the price might be steep, the value you get in return is undeniable. If this sounds like the right motherboard for you, check out the links in the description for the best deals. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy building!